Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be making golden tea, and the most important ingredient here is turmeric. You can use wild fresh turmeric or also powdered one, which you get in grocery stores. Turmeric has a lot of benefits. Read about it in the description box below. This golden tea is going to do a lot of good things to your hair, your skin, your body and all. This golden tea can be drunk daily because it increases your immunity power and also boosts your immunity power. So let's get started. Take a cup and add some boiled milk to it. Add the needed amount of sugar. You can skip this if you have diabetes. Now add about a teaspoon of grated turmeric root or else a pinch of turmeric powder. You can also add a pinch of grounded pepper if you have cough or cold or fever, but it is totally optional. Strain the mixture once the essence steeps in, or else you can drink it without straining it. Do try this recipe at home. Leave your comments in the comment section below. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.